Okay, so it's not quite clear how Kahoot works with basic explanation, so I thought I'd show you. The screen on the left here, this is a Kahoot I made about transformations. This is what the instructor controls, and so I like to choose the classic version. I've only chosen the classic version. And you can randomize the order of your answers, randomize the order of the questions, and choose different options here, okay? And then when you're ready, you can click Classic and get it started. Over here, this is what a student will see when they access the site. So let me get the game started. You can see what a student will see. So as an instructor on the screen in front of the classroom, I would click Classic, and then it tells students, hey, we're getting ready to go. And then the instructions for the student are at the top of the screen here. All they have to do is use their phone or laptop or tablet to go to kahoot.it and type in the PIN number they see here. So when they go to their phone or tablet or laptop, this is the website, kahoot.it, and they simply type in the PIN number. And I don't know if you can hear that. Let me change my volume. It's got this fun little game sound. Yeah, my speakers aren't working very well. Might be able to hear that. Anyway, I'm going to type in this PIN number, 45554, as a student, 45554, hit enter. And now it asks me for a nickname, so I can put my name, Daniel. And when I do that, on the instructor screen, it shows the students' names that have joined. So in class, you'll see all your students' names start to pop up here. And when everybody's in, you can hit start to play the game, okay? And what students will see is 12 questions. Are you ready for this particular quiz? This is the question. This is the graph of which parent function. And there are 4 options. So the graph shows up, and there's 4 options. Now this is the instructor screen. This is what's on the projector. Students will get a screen like this on their phone or whatever, where they can just click one of the 4 buttons that matches the correct answer. And of course this is y equals x squared, so a student would click the blue button and they're told that they're correct. And over here it shows at the end how many students got it correct. And if you want to discuss the question and have a picture, you could click show image, and now you can talk about why this was the graph of y equals x squared. Okay? Then you can close the image as the instructor and click next to get to the next question. I always like to ask them if they're ready. So click next. It shows, if there's multiple students, it will show the top 5 scores. You get higher points for entering your answer fastest, and it keeps track of points throughout all the questions. So you click next. Here's the next question. Student side, it's counting down to the next question. Instructor side, I gave another graph. Which equation is this parent function? Of course, it's the absolute or the square root function. So a student would click the blue function or the blue button. If they click wrong, it tells them they're wrong. And over here, it shows that one student clicked the red button and the blue button has a check mark. That was the one that was right. So anyway, at the end, you'll get a point total for the top 5. And you can also look at the results of the whole class. It's just fun. It's fast-paced. It's being able to quickly drill and recognize. And if you review the answers after each one, then students can get better as they go because they can learn what they're missing. So it's pretty cool, very fast to make, but I wanted to show you what it looks like so you know that it might be worth your time to create some of these.